Hello, hello, hello. Good evening, everyone. Yes, now we are live in YouTube. Yep. Okay, so for those that are watching right now on TikTok, yeah, and wait, just give me a sec. You guys can see. This is what you should be seeing right now in YouTube, full screen. Okay, so we have some people coming up now in YouTube. Welcome, Killer Sama. Yes, welcome, welcome again. If you If there's any, if there's any technical issues with YouTube, please let me know in the comments right away. And hi, Mitra. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, so we have some people right now coming up in YouTube. Yes, Mitra. Good evening. Hello, 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 Killer Sama. We also have Joseph. It's my first time seeing your name, Joseph. But are you new in here? Yes, are you new? Yeah. So for this evening, guys, we're gonna have an update and what to expect with with Bitcoin. Okay, so we have some. Hello, Sudarshana. Where are you from? Right. So guys, remember last session that we did, January 24th? Oh, you're from Malaysia. Oh, that's good. Where in Malaysia? Yeah. So guys, January 24th. These are the conditions that I have stated. Let me this one little bit. Yeah, yeah. So January 24th, if Bitcoin daily candle closes above the red line, expect movement to 44K. And as you guys can see, this is the red line, okay? Let me figure that one. Yes, there we go. So this red line is 40,300, 94. So as I have said, okay, if we close above that, expect 44K, and I'll show you later. If rejected, follow the first plan of January 14th. So January 14th, we have the plan right around this, side. So January 14th, right? Um, First level that we can, if trendline breaks, can you see? 38 to 35K level, that is the expected level of rejection. So, hi Lynch, good evening. So Joseph been following you sa TikTok po. Thank you so much. How long have you been how long have you been in TikTok? Yeah? So, with that said, let's go back. See. Okay? So from 40,000, now we're reaching almost the 44K level. So as you guys can see, 43,900 around that area. Yeah. And as you guys can observe, let me this one bigger. That is a pump of how much? 8.54% from the from where we noted it. That's big, right? That is big. So so that was the update with the Bitcoin, and now what can we expect, Miss? Is there a possibility that we're gonna hit the 48? I've seen some comments in TikTok asking for 48K, where we're gonna see the 38K, right? Others are asking, Miss, can we hit 45K, right? I'll show you on the lower time frame right now, right? So right here we have the lower time frame. So guys, ignore. Tanggalin natin 'to muna because I was having that. We were in TikTok, okay? Mhm. Uh, Alright, so right now, guys, as you guys can see, I'm in the 15-minute time frame. I would like to go back muna on the 4 hours. So, everyone. can have a better understanding. And then this one, I'm gonna remove it for now. Okay, let's keep this one on the daily. And at the same time, I'm gonna take this out. Here we go. Okay, so Miss, what can we expect, with Bitcoin right now? So Bitcoin, guys, for those who does not know, we just broke the control to the downside. So I'm actually in the bearish section, to be honest, because we just broke a control of the micro time frame with Bitcoin. And I'm expecting 38 again right here ito, on our January 14th plan, 38 to 35K. So 38 to 35K is around this area. Now, can you guys see the green zone? This is the level that, I'm actually watching it to possibly reject. Okay? So, miss, so hindi na magpo-48. Hindi na po magpo-48K. Yeah? Now, I'm gonna explain one more thing after this. What I'm just gonna be saying right now is technical analysis. All right? So, good evening, Carl. Hi. Julio, hello. Welcome, welcome. Mitsha is like 48K then. Okay. So, can you guys observe the very thin line right here? Of course, that's a trend line. It's pretty subjective, but it's just for us to watch. But at the same time, we also have one in here, correct? Can you guys see that? So, means is Bitcoin actually making something like, like a pattern of there's a midline, then there's a lower line, somewhat like that. Yeah, somewhat like that. So, hello, hello, Miss Lara. Hi. Yeah. So, guys, um, can you guys now observe, okay, the factor set that I just gave you? We have the horizontal line, and then secondly, we also have the midline of this whole consolidation. You can call this one consolidation that is happening. So this area, Miss, are you saying that this area is like a hot zone for us to watch? Right? It is. So that's why I'm telling everyone 44K as a possible rejection. So this level, guys, is a really, it will be quite a rejection to break. So I would rather prepare right now for a short position. So some people were asking me, Miss, shall I go long now? Not yet. No, you're late. Okay, the long was right around here. So now listen up, Miss. What are the factors that will tell me that this idea gets invalidated again, and possibly we're gonna hit the liquidation point or hot zone right around. So for those who does not know, I just mentioned earlier that above this zone, okay, this is the 48,904. There's a liquidity pool that is sitting in here. Talagang it's there. I saw. So there's a possibility, okay, that if that happens, right, we're gonna do a movement, a big movement that looks like that. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see that wick? And I'm just gonna take the horizontal, the trend line that we have above as the maximum rejection of this, you know, this liquidity Y. This is gonna be like a tail. So what you see in here, guys, can you see this? Yeah. It's very small right now, especially maliliit yung screen. Yan. Can you see the wick? Expect similar movement to be happening around here if we do the liquidity swipe. Now, Miss, how can I know if we're, if that's gonna happen? What we need, guys, is the lower time frame. Okay, lower time frame, which is the 4 hour, not the daily, ha. Last time we were looking for the daily close, but this time we're gonna watch the 4 hour close. Okay, of the just give me a sec. Need to do the section. Need to show. There, okay, good, better. So can you guys see the level of the 0.786? Ito talaga guys, it's a precise level that I'm gonna give you. A close of the 4 hour, right around here, okay? 4 hour close. Doesn't matter if the 4 hour miss. We close the 4 hour right around here, but then, we move down like that. It doesn't matter, guys. That's gonna be the break of the, the zone in this area. So, if we close the 4 hour candle above here, expect the move or expect movement that we're gonna hit way past not just 48K, I'm telling you, above 48K. We're gonna hit 49, we're gonna hit 50, possible. So the idea is this: we're gonna be breaking this zone. Okay, so that is the 49, almost the 49, 48K. Yeah. So let me take this out. Okay, so now you guys have the condition, and I would like to write that. I would like to write that down. Okay, so January 30th, break of ano tayo, or red line R4 candle yan. Okay, I'm gonna do. So this is our notes. If rejected, which is, yeah, this is the main idea right now, guys, because, Bitcoin is in a bearish bias. So this is the first idea that I'm gonna follow. I'm gonna short Bitcoin. Okay, so if rejected, okay, of the red line, expect expect movement to 35K, 38 to 35K. Okay, this is a what's the word for that? Um, Conservative approach, 35 to 38K. Now, if close above, okay, or if broken, the red line of the 4 hour, expect no more correction. Okay, there's not gonna be correction, but we're gonna hit the 48 past 48K. We're gonna have a clean swipe, clean swipe tail, or miss what on earth is a tail? Okay, so guys, it's just another word for a wick. Okay, of the candle wick. So clear everyone. Yeah, I'm gonna move this 14th. Now we have the 30th. So just a recap, everyone. Conditions natin, red line for our candle. If rejected, okay, expect 38 to 35. This is the main idea right now. Okay, since we are in bias, bearish bias. And if broken, miss, what shall I do? Shall I short more? Diba? So no, we're gonna have a long position and expect way past, sorry, not 47 yung lead. Should be 48. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. Okay. Simple as that. Now, currently, everyone, yes, on the 1 hour, andito po yung control natin right here. So, Miss, what on earth is that? Listen up, everyone. Um, on the cycle, okay, from this to here, we are in a uptrend movement, correct? Everyone, we're in an uptrend. So, bullish bias po tayo. But, the moment we break this level, the red line that you're seeing, guys, listen up. Nothing is stopping Bitcoin to continue to 38K. So, you have two levels that I want you to watch right now. Dalawa. This one, the 45,000, ito, 45,295. Okay? And then the 41,600. If we break this, for those who are shorting Bitcoin, it's, I can tell you, 80% win of probability tayo, 38K. Yeah. But, miss, if we close above this, or if we break the 4 hour, let's say, um, with a short position, or yeah, stop loss right here, and obviously take profit. Ba't ang liit ng ano 'to, hindi ko makita. Okay, that's much better. Okay. So right here, 38K minimum yan guys, 38K. So let's put a minimum of 38 on this area. So on this note guys, on this note, this one is a 2:1 type of RR setup, right? 2:1 type of RR. Now, miss, how can I enter on this? Why shall I not wait for the break in this area? I mean, you can, right? You can. And then your stop loss, guys. If your entry is by here, your stop loss should be above this by the high. So yung yung nagtanong kanina, right? For those who were asking earlier, Miss, how can I plot stop loss? How can I plot take profit? Can you guys see now? Multiple approach tayo pag ganito. So, going back around this, around this note, how can we possibly enter of a short position in here is by this. So, I want you to open the 15 minutes right now. 15 minutes tayo. Can you see this? I have an alert. So, if we break this, what you can actually do is do a limit order. Miss, I'm just gonna do limit order short 430.46. Sorry, 43046.9. Yeah, limit order. So means that when the price drops like that, yeah, it's gonna enter a trade for you. You don't have to be like, okay, break muna and then retest. That's when I enter. Because sometimes, guys, okay, similar to what just happens in here, it's gonna happen similar way wherein like price will just break and then continues to go down. It's not even gonna visit this area anymore. That's why I'm saying limit sell order. Okay, limit sell order, everyone. So buy this zone. This is the control. And then similar take profit tayo. If let's go back on the 1 hour. I'll show you how you can control this, okay, or manage this. So let's say, miss, I have entered my entry right around this area. Now price is moving in a way like this. Pag ganyan, miss, saan po yung stop loss ko? Right? My initial stop loss, where should it be? Your initial stop loss, guys, should be above this 4 hour close that we just plot in, ha? Okay? Remember that, guy? Now, if the price breaks the red line, remember this line naman that we talked earlier? If it breaks, then, guys, you can move your stop loss above that. That's how you manage the trade. Simple as that. Okay? Now, by take profit, everything is up to you na. Okay? How you want to take your profits. Miss, around this area, I want to take my profit na. Miss, I want this area, I want to take my profit na. Or let's say, miss, sagadin ko yung 38. Whatever you want to do with it. Okay? You plan your trade. But by the stop and everything, that's the most important thing that I can give you. Kasi dyan ma-manage yung risk nyo. So, this is how I would like you to manage it. Okay, if you want to follow this. Simple as that. Okay? Any other questions? um, Lynch, Sorry, Carl, oo, ako to, Lynch, yan. Yung mga nasa TikTok, guys, we are live in YouTube, ha? So, we have some comments from YouTube in here. If you wanna join YouTube, everyone, just give me a sec. Asa na ba yun? Not this one. Hindi ko na mahanap. Give me a sec. Uh, okay. So, ito, guys. This is the YouTube, Mayari Capital. We're live right now, January 30. Okay, this is Mayari Capital Live. For those who want to watch on YouTube right now. And of course, there are free trading lessons in there, guys. Nasa playlist lang. Okay, free trading lessons. Okay, anyways, so, Carl, oo, Koto Lynch, nag-face reveal, nag-identity reveal na siya, Lynch, di ba? So, Adrian, Euphoria, is it true that Binance will close down soon? Um, I'm still not ano, it's still not a final decision for me because this is what they do every time with exchanges, to be honest. This is what they do. So, I'm still taking it lightly. And I'm gonna wait for the ano talaga, for the initial that it will happen. Because in the last minute, like 3 days before the close down or a day before the close down, then they will, oh, it's fine. You know, finance can operate, parang gano'n. So, but even then, okay, I have my alternatives. They are set in. So, yun lang. Just make sure your funds are safe. Meron ba dito may mga ledger na? Ledger, Trezor, right? Hardware wallet? Maki, need po ba mag-close candle sa 15 minutes para masabing bearish na pumamp? In a micro time frame, yes. Okay? But no need for a candle close talaga. Any price down sa baba nun, wait, asan na? Okay. Let's open the 15 minutes again. Okay. So can you guys see this one? Yeah. So eto, something like that. It does not matter if the candle closes above it, as long as you break the control, that's bearish. Okay? Simple as that. So yes, going back now, Carl, may free tape pa ba ate if meron sol po? Sige, habol natin yan, Carl. Okay, the sol. Ay, so, Mitcha, how much leverage should we use? 100x. Mitcha, I know you have been watching my live for like months now. So I have some hope that you understand our risk management, right? So you can do 100x as long as everything is managed. So everything should be by, again, guys, everything should be by the risk that you have or risk that you can do. So right around this area, you can see, Miss, I only have like, let's say, Miss, I have a $10,000 account, right? And I want to risk just around 2% of my account, which, I do recommend you to do. So 2%. So from there on, Miss, I want to do 100x. You can do, okay? As long as you have this or doing this. So just for an example, where was it? Let's do a there. Okay, so entry. So we have the 5.41 for the stop loss and then the 11.63 for the take profit. Okay, so let's do that. 11.63 and then stop loss 5.41, correct? Now, there we go. So I know it's not showing yet, so let's open it up. profit, risk, account balance to show everything. So as you can see in here, Mitra, right? Your only allowed loss or projected loss is $200 if this trade goes against you, and then your projected profit is $430. Now, mind you, you can do 100x, okay? But the margin that you should be putting is just $36 only, okay? $36 only. But let's say if you don't want to do the 100x, okay? Let's say, miss, I just want to do 50x. There you go. So if 50x, this is your setup. And yes, this is going to be how much your profit is. And at the same time, this is going to be your projected loss. Simple as that. Clear? I want you guys to practice proper risk management. Okay? So let's see. So no more other questions. Okay, let's open Sol. Uh, someone asked for Sol. And someone is named Carl. Let's open Sol nga. It's been ages. Remove drawings. Let's go on the weekly. Okay. So, but till then, I would like to put, lagyan natin dito, YouTube capital. And then at the same time, guys, for those who does not know, I have Instagram. My mga Instagram, you can message me. Have any question or such. Go. Okay, so Sol, uh-huh. What are you looking for, Sol card? Is it a day trading, swing trading, portfolio trading, or scalping? Let me know right now in the comments before, before I do the TA. Para short na lang, di ba? Zoner Fly, Bitcoin Insight. Okay, so for Bitcoin Insight, you can just watch the live today. Zoner Fly, which is around here. I did my Bitcoin Insight in here. You can watch this one again in YouTube. So that's my YouTube, Mayari Capital. Right? And look for the January 30th na live. So let's go back. Okay, so intraday short position. All right. So let's see. Mm-hmm. So short position. What's your entry call? Because your possible entry should be around here. I mean, the safest entry that you should be doing is around this area. Daily. Carl. Sol to me does not look, it does not look bearish. That's my personal opinion, It does not look bearish, and to be honest, it just made more, bullish movement in this case. If you wanted to short it, or if you want to short it, the entry should have been around here, possibly. Like at exact point in this zone. January, so 125 po ate. Okay, 125. Oh, like at the top. Okay. So 1, 2, maximum 0.618. Yeah, per level. Why haven't you took profits? Carl, if if we were doing intraday, wait, and drop is a good drop. 0. 2.6. Okay, Carl. So I'm expecting some rejection this area, huh? This area. And let me see the zero point 0.5. Past the zero point 0.5, so high likely we're gonna have some rejection there by the arrow. So if that happens, Carl, I want you to be, there's a high chance that Sol is gonna visit all the way till up there. Now, um, I can tell you 50%, or I can tell you like 40% are the chances of us getting rejected because nga Sol is still in a bias, bullish bias pa din si Sol. So 60% it can go up talaga. That I'm telling you now. But if you do get some rejection right around here, do not expect that rejection to visit this area again or even break down. Expect the rejection to be sitting possibly right around this zone, which is the 93, possibly. So, but then again, I just gave you the status of the probability percentage. 60% possible na we're gonna have a push up. Yeah. But if you do get some rejection na, right around here, right? If and you are doing intraday kasi. So I do advise you to secure profits. That I can say. Yeah. We literally just broke multiple levels to be considered bullish in here. And if we do have some correction by this impulse of the 15 minutes, it's just gonna be a plain rejection and then gonna have a clean continuation to the upside. Yeah. So I want you to manage your trade. Well, ang ganda na, 125 short, and then you have multiple. It's a big drop, Carl. It's a 30% drop. 30% drop. 1, 2, 3. You're welcome, Carl. Sige. Okay. Mhm. Anyways, what else we have? Okay. Mhm. One, oh, one. Lagyan nga natin ng Alexis Solly. 1, 2, 3. See. This is what I don't like with BNB, you know? Kasi sobrang ano, move so slow. Hmm. Been way, way too long with might close BNB. Can you see how big the consolidation of math since what day? Since November? Huh? Jang, thoughts on Bitcoin? Jang, if you want to watch the Bitcoin thoughts or ano, for today and upcoming days, I want you to watch the live in YouTube January 30. I already discussed the Bitcoin. So feel free to watch this one. Okay, so Matic, so full on continuation to the Matic one. Mm, Dot. This one is pretty. Trend lines are pretty. That's why I do not use it that much, but more of to have a guidance lang of the trend, but more of like um, oh, broke down, it's gonna go down, anything as such. Go talaga. On this case, I'm expecting for this to hit. It's the possible rejection is sitting for that. So if you guys have long positions with that, yeah, you can aim till 8.2, or to be safe, just do it like 7.9 or 8.1. Yeah, if you have long positions, after those who have long positions with that, you can aim this area. Talaga, wala eh. Point to 5, Uni. Dodge did a really nice breakout, guys, of the 4 hour. Like, really nice. So what is happening right now? It looks so, it looks so laggy, diba? But what I'm seeing with Dodge to, to visit is around this area, like right around here. So as you can see, that is 0.9246, right? Around there. And by the ano lang, that is a 14 or 13% pump to the upside. So a trade setup, I guess you guys can consider this as our trade setup now for this evening. Stop loss below here. Malaki naman. So 1.7, not almost 2, 1.9. So if you want to take this trade, guys, just lower down the risk. Like kanina, the example that I gave was 2%. So for this one, you can do like 1. Short ka ma'am kay Bitcoin right now. I'm not in short position. I'm actually in a long position. But I'm watching it closely. If shall I take or close the position now? But yeah. By the way, I also gave out the trade setup to do with Bitcoin earlier. So if you guys want to watch that, okay, or know about it, yan, yung ganito. How to manage this. Watch the live na lang of the January 30th, which is this today. Yeah. All explanations are there. If you want to do the. Anyway, so Dodge almost 1.92. If you look at it, into 1 by the end. And if we consider the low, which is, lower time frame entry would be sitting right around here. Lower time frame. So it should give around 3:1 type of RR. Okay. You guys can see that. Yeah. Ditong type of entry. 1.6. Yeah, around this end. Right around that line. So guys, next time you see Dodge, 0.079. Ah, and guys, I want you to think that on the higher time frame, that is literally the bottom. This area. Change the color and I'll make this the bottom of this consolidation. So 0.079. Okay, listen up. Is a bottom. So I'm gonna do an alert in here. 0.0 or let's do 0. Yeah, 0.0795. Okay. Mm. Pause, profit, right? Anyway, so let's watch Bitcoin na lang. I would like to watch Bitcoin for now. Yeah. On. Yung nilalagay niyo na kulay orange na yan, automatic ba yan na nagse-sell or nagba-buy? Hindi po. This is a plotting. This is what you're seeing right now. This one is a chart wherein we can do charts. Okay, we can plot. So, kumbaga, this is just a draft. If you wanna perform it or do it or trade, you need to do it in exchange. So, dito. Okay? So, may another device ka pa or PC? Yes, I do have another phone that I plotted. So, for those who does not know, I trade with the phone, guys. I do not trade with laptop. I used to be doing charts sa iPad lang talaga. And then, execute my trade with phone. But I only got laptop because nga, I cannot do live iPad. Just doing live sa ano, or charting na lang. Memshi, bali parang chart lang yung sa PC. But don't get me wrong, you can also, conduct a trade or execute a trade with PC. Hmm. Miss RSI po ba? Anong time frame mas maganda tumingin kung overbuy or oversell or overbuy? Average that I can recommend you to watch is 4 hours. Um, that's like the general na. But if you're talking like swing trading for I want you to watch minimum, ano, 1 day to 3 day, and intraday 4 hours. Tapos mga scalping session mo can be 1 hour. But yeah, you can still refer sa 4 hours. So average talaga is 4. Magkasabay po ba yung galaw ng market at broker sa TradingView? Yes, as long as you have the correct broker and ticker. So as you guys can observe right around this area, if I'll add right now and if I'll type in Bitcoin, There's a lot of what? There's a lot of ticker, and at the same time, there's a lot of exchanges. So make sure that you're using the proper exchange because again, these exchanges will have different values of the charts. Do that, okay? Tell society short yen. Yes, this is a short position. We already discussed, what we need and shall we execute this watch now. Okay, so I guess that's it for this live section in YouTube, right? So you guys can watch the live this evening again. Yung mga late pumasok, miss, I want to watch the Bitcoin setup again, the explanation and everything. You can watch it in YouTube right here. Okay, January 30th. But I'm still gonna be I'm still gonna be live in TikTok. Just gonna observe till midnight possibly how the Bitcoin is gonna be. Okay? But with YouTube guys, I have done and a half. You can watch it na short lang. Okay? So good night everyone. For those who are in YouTube, I'll see you guys around. Yeah. If you have any question, please let me know na lang sa Instagram natin. In Mayari Capital Instagram. Okay? And just a reminder, everyone, I only have one account in each social media. So, isa lang sa TikTok, one in TikTok, one in Instagram. And no, I do not message you first. I do not ask for money or anything. So, if someone asks you, that's not me. That's a scam. Okay? I don't know. So, always be aware, okay, whom you're messaging with. And especially yung mga Tagalog na alam mong translated talaga from English. Lots of people will be sending me messages that alam miss, may pretend na ikaw. And then meron dong gumagamit talaga ng pare. Pare. Hey pare. Talagang pare guys. Then yung Tagalog niya was full on translated from Google. Talagang alam mong translated. So, ano lang guys, okay, be alert sa mga ganon. Yan. So, yeah. See you guys around sa YouTube. Have a good night. Okay, yung mga gusto na matulog, I'll see you guys around tomorrow again. We'll do live. So, bye everyone.